7-hour drive from Navarre Beach, Florida. And we finally made it to Orlando.
We'll be casting over the Magic Kingdom in just a few moments.
We took a shuttle from our hotel and then decided to take the ferry instead of the tram to the Magic Kingdom. We couldn't be more excited to be in Disney World, and we made it right on time to celebrate their 50th anniversary. It's Coni and my first time visiting this place, and once we crossed the entrance, everything became a unique experience where it was impossible not to feel nostalgic and happy.
Magic Kingdom!
After getting ourselves a first visit in, it was time to try some rides, starting with Splash Mountain, which is based on the movie Song of the South.
¿A dónde caen? ¡La luz! Nada, porque cerré los ojos.
Disneyland was the first Disney park created in 1955 on 500 acres in California. Then Disney World was built in 1971 in Florida, comprising 43 square miles. Did you know that Disney World is big enough to fit 51 Disneylands? This place holds the magic of the most beautiful movies we all grew up watching. Disney is where you'll find people coming from all over the world just like us. And now we understand why this is a park that you need to visit no matter your age.
Estamos en Adventureland.
From the land of the Mystic Mountains, Elsa, Anna, and Olaf.
We've heard about Disney World since we were little kids. And coming from another country, we finally made it in our 20s. With tears of joy, we watched our first show in the Magic Kingdom and appreciate this part of the trip more than ever.
Now we can all dance together!
Next, The Land of the Future plus some Monsters Inc. stand-up comedy.
Tomorrowland. La tierra de
La
mañana.
tierra del futuro.
Y este cielo no tiene árboles.
No tiene árboles. Ah, no. No me gusta.
And remember that passengers and wheelchairs must transfer the rocket.
Because then they'll know I'm here.
This amazing day is almost over, but Coni and I haven't ridden together yet, until this moment.